Lord, south. Try na to ha.
Nako, jersey number 9. Jersey number 9, control the ball. Jersey number 9, good for 2 points by jersey number 9. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30, control the ball. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30, pass to jersey. Steal by jersey number 0. Jersey number 0, pass to jersey number 30. Steal by jersey number 30. Jersey number 30 needs no good. He's rebound by jersey number 0. Jersey number 0, steal by jersey number 17. To jersey number 30. Jersey number 30, pass to jersey number 17, needs out rest. No good. Rebound by jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, control the ball. Jersey number 2, pass to jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 7. No good. Rebound. Good for doubles by jersey number 0. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30, control the ball. Jersey number 30. 30. Jersey number 30. Lost pass to jersey number 12. Good for 2 points by jersey number 12. Hanot. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Lost. Good for 2 points by jersey number 2. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30, control the ball. Jersey number 30 needs out race. Herbalizer. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, control the ball. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 9. Block by jersey number 30. Simple. Jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30, pass to jersey number 14. Pass to jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. Oh, small left. Isang kamot. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, control the ball. Jersey number 2, block by jersey. Rebound by jersey number 2 again. Jersey number 2 ni hata-hata. Ni body. 3 seconds. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30, control the ball. Jersey number 30, speed move. Nangita kapsan, pass to jersey number 17. To jersey number 21.
8. Osman.
Isang na. Foul, jersey number 00.
Personal foul.
Yes, good for 1 point. Last throw, ready for him. Topor. No good. Rebound by jersey number 12. Jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number 30 again. Out of bounds. Jersey number 21. Jersey number 21.
Good for 2 points committed by 21. Ang score ay bali 5-4. Labaw ang payahan. Jersey number 2, pass to nagaputi na Itza. No good, nakuha ni number 21. 21 ang itagapasahan, nagipasa ni number 30. Chill ang 33. Ipasa ni yung kauban. Out of bounds. So 49 segundos to number 2. Number 2 dribbling the ball. Number 2 ang itagapasahan. Number 2 ni Lahos. Hook side step. Yes, good for 2 points. Kapita ba? Number 2. Number 30, dribbling the ball, chill. Number 30 ni Losot, ipasa, out of bounds. To number 30 ni Hata, number 30 ni jump shot. Yes, good for 2 points with the ball, number 30. Ang score, City Size, labaw ang pahayan. Oras na bilin size, minuto sa City segundos. 15 to shoot. To number, ni Losot. Yes, basket count. Number 8. Number 18. Number 38, number the ball. Number 13, nagsagod dun sa TL. Number 13, ni Losot. Yes, good for 2 points. Committed by number 30. Number 30. So number two. Oops, nakuha ni number 21. Number 31 on the drive. Yes, good for 2 points. Committed by number 21. Ang score, 11-6, labaw ang payahan. Number 9 na Milo. Number 9, nilusot. Oops, no good. Nakuha ni number 2. Number 2 niliyap. No good yapon. Number 2, yes, good for 2 points. Committed by number 2. Ang score, 11-8, labaw ang payahan. Oras na bilang 5 minutos o 23 segundos. To number 30. Number 30 dribbling the ball. Number 30, 15 to shoot. Number 30 nilusot. No good. Nakuha ni number Puti. To number 7, Onyok. Yes, scored for 2 points. Good by Onyok. To number 21. Number 21 dribbling the ball. Number 21 to number 30. Number 30 to below 15 to shoot. Number 30 ni Hata. Ipasa ni number 10 to number nakuha ni number 30. Number 30 dribbling the ball. Number 30 ni Lawson. Oops, ipasa ni number 21 to 21. Naitsa. No good. Nakuha ni number 2. Was ball rep. Mayroon tayo isa sa gamot. Isa foul. Second team foul. First row, basket count. Last row, no good. Nakuha na number 40, jersey white. To 18 on the drive up. Mas ball rep. Number 21. 21 pa. So number 2 nilusot. Basket count. Oras na bilik, 4 minutos o 27 segundos to number 30. Number 33 controlling the ball. Number 30 ni Luzon. Oops, ipasa ni number 4 ni jump shot. No good, nakuha ni number. Oops, ipasa ni Onyok. Ay! Yes, good for 2 points committed by number 4. 7. To jersey number 21. Number 21 controlling the ball. 21. Dipasa ni number 30. Number 30 nang itagapasan. Hindi tagapasahan niya ito. Nito siya kamot. 15 to shoot. Oops, Milo. Number 30 ni Luzon. Oops, ipasin ni number 4. Number 4 ni Hata. Oops, nakuha ni 10. 9. Oops, nakuha ni number 9. Number 9 on the drive. Yes, basket count. Oras na bilhin. 3 minutos o 42 segundos. Oops, number 30 ni Itza. Basket count. Oops, ball rep. Palaw na patas. Number 9. Last throw. Bonus throw. Oops, nakuha ni number 9. Number 9 nakita ka pa sa long pass to. Oops, nakuha ni number 4. Number 4 nakuha ni Onyok. Oops, Onyok dribbling the ball. Onyok. Nakita ka pa sa ipasa na number. Oops, nakita siya kauban. Number 4 zone the drive. No good, nakuha number 17. 17 Limon. Yes, good for 2 points. Good by Limon. 17. Oras sa bilhin, 3 minutos o 10 segundos no number 18. Number 18 Cabanes na kita kapasahan tod sa iyang kauban. Ni Itza. No good, makuha ni number, oops, out of bounds. Bulasa. Come. To number 2 drive. Yes, basket count. To 21 to number 30. 30 dribbling the ball. Number 30 dribbling the ball, controlling the ball. Number 30 na Milo. Number 15 to shoot. Number 13 ni Luzon. Oops, was ball rep. Wala na pataas. Number 9. Second personal foul. Labaw ang 18. Ni City na dong. To number 30 dribbling the ball. Number 30 is on the drive. Oh, black white. Oops, nakuha na number 21. 15 to shoot. Number 21 ni Itza. Yes, good for 2 points with the by 21. To number 2. Number 2 dribbling the ball. Number 2 nangita kapasahan, ipasa ni nangita kapasahan. 15 to shoot. Nangita number 18. Number 18 ni Luzon 10. 9. Oops, good for 2 points with the by number 2. Time out. Kumbatos o 16 segundos. Ang score 19-20. Labaw ang Kambilog. Number 30 controlling the ball. Number 30 ni Luzon, kipasa ni number 4 ni Itza. No good. Nakuha ni number, oh, Kapote, nagmamadali. Oops, post ball rep. Paul Limud. To number 18 to number 2. Number 2, nakita ka pa sa number 2. Number 2 to number 7, Onyok na itag tres. No good, nakuha ni Pedro to, nakuha ni number 21. Number 21, dribbling number 2, number 30. Number 30, controlling the ball, nakita ka pa sa number 30. Number 15 to shoot. Oops, nakuha number 30. Number 30 on the drive. Oops, gipasa na number 21. 10, 9, yes, good for 2 points committed by number 21. Ang score, 21-20. Labaw ang 21 ng number 8. No good, nakuha na number 2. Good for 2 points committed by number 2. So number 9 Itza. Yes, good for 3 points committed by number 30. Oops, nakuha ni number Gray. Out of bounds. Bulasa.
Basta di
14
magtinarong.
to shoot. To Green Itza. Nugog nakuha ni number 21. Number 21 nakita ka pa sa number 31 to number 30. Number 23 controlling the ball. Number 30 nakita nagdugtog. Oops, crossover ni Oops. Gipasa ni number 4. Number 12 ni Itza. Nugog nakuha ni number 21 ni Itza. Nugog nakuha ni number 2. Number 3 long pass to Onyok ni Itza. Yes, good for 2 points committed by Onyok. Kuya Cardo. 15 to shoot. Number 30, dribbling the ball. 15 to shoot. Oras sa Belen, 45 segundos. Oops, ni Losot, ipasa ni number 21. 10, 9. Oops, nakuha na number 18. 18, nakita kapasahan ni Losot. 35 to shoot. Oops, nakuha ni number 14 to number 12. Number 12, crossover. 20. 15 to shoot. 17 segundos ang habilin nga oras. 17 to shoot. 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 seconds. Mas ball rep, balik na patas. 1 second. First throw. Basket count. Eighteen to number 2. Number 2 controlling the ball. Number 2 ni Luzon. No good, nakuha ni number 18 ni Itza. No good, nakuha ni number 2. Number 2 ni Itza, wag yapon. Nakuha number 2. Number 2 ni Sidestep. Oops. Traveling violation.
Travel ko no.
To number 30. Number 33 controlling the ball. Number 30 ni Luzon. Oh, dipasa na number. Siyang ba naman. 15 to shoot. To Minyosa. 14. Itza. No good. Nakuha ni number 21. Number 21 long pass to number 2 ni Itza. Yes, good for 2 points committed by number 2. To number 30. Number 30 controlling the ball. Number 30 nakita kapasahan. Number 30 ni Luzon. No good, nakuha ni number 15. Number 15 dribbling the ball. Oops. Double dribble. So number 30 dribbling the ball. Number 30. 15 to shoot. Number 30 nakita kapasahan. Kipasan number 21. Number 21, oops. 10 to shoot. Number 21 to number 30. 30. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Oops. Good for 2 points. To number 2. Now we're so dribbling the ball. Number 2. Oops. Nakuha ni number 21. Number 21 long pass to number 18. Number 18, 17. Oops. Usman rep. First personal foul, first team foul. First throw. Ang score, 26-29. Second throw, ready for rebound. Yes, good for 1 point. To number 2. Number 2 controlling the ball. Number 2. Number 2 nang itagapasahan. Number 2 kipasa ni number 18. Oops, traveling violation. Ang score, 27-29 to number 30. Number 30 controlling the ball to number oops. To number 12. Number 12 ang itagapasahan kipasa ni number 30.
15 seconds to shoot.
Number 30. Number 30 nang itagapasahan. Number 30. Number 30 ni Luzon. Oops, kipasa ni number 21. 21 sa oops. Nabalutan ako ni number 18. Number 18. Number 18 from the drive. Yes, good for 2 points. Number 18. So number 30. Number 30 controlling the ball. Number 30 ni Ata. Oops, nakuha ni number 30 gabon. Number 30 kipasa ni number 12. Number 12 ni Itza. Yes, good for 2 points. Number 12. To number 2. Number 2 dribbling the ball. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2 nakuha ni Wani. Number 2 controlling the ball. Kipa 15 to shoot. To number 26 ni Itza. No good nakuha ni number 21. Number 21. Number 21 to number 17. 17 to number 21. Number 21 ni Itza. Yes, basket count. Bonus row. Ready for rebound. Basket count. To number 18. Number 18 to number 2. Number 2 controlling the ball. Number 2. Number 2 dribbling the ball. Number 2 na wani-wani. Number 2 na speed ball. Oops, nilos go. Block by number 30. Number 30 ni oops, no good. Oops, nakuha ni. The number 30. Now, oops, nakuha ni number 26. Number 26. Number 26. Number 26 on the drive. Oops. Yes, good for 2 points. Coming to point. Number 26. To number 40. Number 40 dribbling the ball. Oras na bilang 7 minutos o 8 segundos. Number 14. 15 to shoot. To number 12. Oops. Small rep. So number 30. Number 33 dribbling the ball.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Oops, nakuha ni number 26. Number 26, ipasa ni number so, nakuha ni number 12. Number 12, oops. Small rep. 11. Ang score, 32-35. Labaw ang Cavite. To number 30 ni Itza. Yes, basket count. Number 2. Number 2 dribbling the ball. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2 dribbling the
15
ball.
seconds to shoot.
10, 8,
9,
7, 6. Oops, basket. Number 30 dribbling the ball. Number 30. Number 30 controlling the ball ng itagapasahan. Number 30 looking for screen. Number 30. Number 30. Number 30. 15 to shoot. Oops. Small rep. Number 2. Substitution rep. Kablita. Is brought to you by Alajib. To number 18. Number 18, long pass to number, nakuha ni number 14. Number 14. Number 14, nakuha ni number 2. Number 2. Zone to drive. Basket count. Number 30. Foul number 30. Number 2. Bonus row. Yes, good for 1 point. To number 30. Number 30 controlling the ball. Number 30. Number 30 lang yung nagkapasahan. Number 30. Number 30 ni jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 18. Number 18 chilling the ball. Chilling ang kabilin. Number 18. Number 18 ni Luzon. Oops. Basket count. Oras na bilang 5 minutos o 42 segundos. Nugod nakuha ni number 15. Number 15 ni jump shot. Basket count. Small rep. Number 12. Payahan. Bonus throw. To number 12. Number 12 to number 30. Number 30. Number 30. Number 30 ring the ball. Looking for pass. Number 30. Number 30. 15 to shoot. Oops. Pasa ni number 12. Number 12 needs no good. Nakuha ni number. Oh, boy number. Boy number. Boy number. Lang na matadali. Oops. No good. Nakuha ni number. Boy number. Number 8 sa need. Yes, good for 2 points. Pero by boy number. To number 12. 14. 14 to 30. 30. 30 controlling the ball. Oh, pati ang oras. 30. 30. 30. 30 ni pasa number 21. 21 ni Itza. Yes, good for 2 points. Committed by number 21. Number 2. Number 2 on the drive. Number 18. No good. Nakuha number 18. Number 18 to number 26. 26 ni Itza. Yes, good for 2 points. Committed by number 26. Oras sa bilin, 4 minutos o 36 segundos. To number 30. Number 30 ni Itza og 3. No good. Nakuha ni number 21. Number 21 back to number 30. Number 30 ni Itza. Oops. Out of bounds. Pasa dia. Ayaw na may Itza. Basta nga na sila lipat. To number 2. Number 2 controlling the ball. Number 2. Number 2 side step sa 3. Yes, good for 2 points. Committed by number 2. Oras sa bilin, 4 minutos o 20 segundos to number 30. Number 30 controlling the ball. Number 30 long pass to number 1. Nakuha ni number 2. Number 2 na malo-malo. Number 2 ni Luzon. Basket count. Osman Red. Number 30. Second personal foul. 1. Bonus throw. Ready for rebound. Nakuha ni number 21. Number 21 looking for pass to number 30. Number 30. Number 30 long pass to number 14. Number 14 to number 30. Number 30 stealing the ball. Number 30.
15 seconds to shoot.
15 to shoot. To number 30. Number 30 to number 21. Number 21 in Luzon. Yes! Basket count. Small red. Walang tapatas. Penalty. Bonus throw. No good. Nakuha na number 12. Number 12 yung kita kapasahan. Number 12. Number 12. Number 12 looking for first to number 30. Number 13. Oops. 3 second violation. Oh, ay umbok ang panamdong. Oh, hindra lang. To number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2 ng Milo. Number 2 side step ni Luzon. No good. Nakuha na number 30. Number 30. Oras sa bilang 3 pinagosok 25 segundos. Number 30. Number 30 jump shoot. No good. Nakuha na number 30. Number 30 nang kita kapasahan to number 14. Number 14. Oops. Out of bounds. Bulasa. Bulasa Cambilo. 3 minutos o 17 segundos. Oras rin na nga. Announce mo na to.
5-4 na lang.
To number 18 ni Luzon. No goal nakuha ni number 18 Japon. Number 18 na kita kapasahan. Kipasa ni number 32. Number 2 spin move. Kipasa na number 14. Number 12. Gusto naman eh. Number 12 ang kita kapasahan. Number 12 dribbling ball. Sinilang kabilin. To number 21 Menyosa. Menyosa on the drive. No goal nakuha ni number 00. 00 when number 0 number. Oops. Nakuha ni nagpasa ni number. Ay, hindi ka shot. To 30. 30 controlling the ball. 30 needs out 3. No good nakuha na number 00. 00 ang ipasa ni number 18. Number 18 on the drive. No good nakuha na number 2. Number 2 needs oops. Basket count. Osman Red. Timeout, Pahayan. Number 30 controlling the ball. Number 30 dribbling the ball. Number 30 ni Luzon. Oops. Basket foul. Foul 0-0. Third. Sam sa season red. To number 2. Number 2, controlling the ball. Oras na rin 2 minutos of 15 segundos. To number 2, to number, White, sayang kauban. 15 to shoot. White, pani needs yes, goal for 2 points committed by number, White, jersey White. 9. To number 30, controlling the ball. Oras na rin 2 minutos of 5 segundos. Number 30 needs yes, basket count. Number 18, controlling the ball to number 2. Number 2, chilling like a villain. Number 2, controlling the ball. Oops, inside step and dribble and it's yes, goal for 2 points. Committed by number 2. Oras na bilin, 1 minutos of 50 segundos to number 30. Number 30, crossover like an inlet lens to number 12. Number 12 needs no good na kuha number 18. Number 18 on the drive. Yes, goal for, oops. Bonus throw. Ready for rebound. Basket. To number 30. Number 30 controlling the ball. Number 30 looking more fast. Number 30 jump shot. Yes, basket count. 30. To number 2. Number 2 side step. No good. Nakuha number 21. Number 21 looking for number 30. Number 30 is nakuha ni number 12. Number 12 crossover. Number 12 isa gipasa number 30. 15 to shoot. Yes, good for 2 points. Oras na bilin, 1 minuto. To number 12. Number 12, nakita ka pasahan to number 9. Number 9, nakita, oh, 9 mo na. Tuloy. To number, Limon, side step, needs no good, nakuha na number 9. Number 9, nagmamadali. No good, nakuha na number 11. Number 11 needs yes, good for 2 points. Committed by number 11. Oras na bilin, 57.
Itik sa imong na.
55. Ang nabilin nga oras. Needs no good, nakuha na number 18. 18 dribbling the ball. 18 needs was ball rep. Ready for rebound. No good, nakuha ni number 26. 26 needs luwagi po nakuha ni number 21. 21 looking for pass. 21 looking for number 30. 30 is on the drive. Ang kipasa ni number 17 needs yes, good for 2 points. Number 17. Nakuha ni number 9. Number 9, 30 ang nabilang ka. Basket count. To number 30. Number 30 dribbling the ball. Number 30 oops, nakuha ni number 8. Number 2 inside step, di pasa ni number 15.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1. And number 12 to number 30. 30 dribbling the ball. 30 nilos ang kipasa ni number 8. 2-0-0 to number 26. 26 dribbling the ball. Number 26 long pass to number Sayang kauban ni Itza. No good, nakuha number 00 ni Itza. Yes, good for 2 points. Ano ba number 00? To number 21.
Murag si Tata ray
Number
butana
21 control the ball to number 30. Number 30 is a good shoot until number 13 inside steps up. Osman Red.
15 seconds to shoot.
Number 30 in crossover. Number 30 needs yes, basket go. To number 26. 26 controlling the ball. 26 ipasa ni Onyok to number
15 seconds to
number
shoot.
0000 ni Itza. No good na kuha ni number 17. 17, oops. Out of bounds. Bola sa 17 to number 30. Number 30 dribbling the ball. Number 30. Number 30 kipasa ni number, oops. Out of bounds. Bola sa Tabilog. 0-0 to number 29. 26 na. Oras na bilhin 9 minutos. To number 00. 00 ni Itza. No good na kuha ni number 11 na kita kapasahan ni Paso sa iyang kauban ni Itza. Yes, good for 2 points sa iyang kauban.
Yawa may kasama pang ano?
To number ipasa, oops. Foul 7, flagging foul. Cambino. To number 12 ni Itza. Number 00 ni Itza. No good. Nakuha ni number 12. Number 12, uhangan ni Itza. Kipasa ni number 17. 17 ni Itza. No good. Nakuha ni number. Out of bounds. Bola sa Bayahan. To 0-0. 0-0. 0-0 kipasa ni number 11. Number 11. Oops. Nakuha ni number to number 30. Number 30 kipasa ni number. Nakuha ni number 15. Sayang kauban. Double dribble. Stepping on the line. Bay, balang sa nagkasara to babaw. To number 11 nakuha niya. Onyok, nag-iitsa ang tres. No good, nakuha ni number 18. Ano man na? Number 18, kinagamitan ka sa akin pa sila number 30. Number 30, nakuha ni number 17. To shoot. Ni Itza, no good, nakuha ni number 00. 0-0, dribbling the ball. 0-0, oops. Traveling violation. 20 minutos of 44 segundos to number 30. Number 30 dribbling the ball. Number 30, oops. Nakuha ni number 26. Ni Itza. Yes, good for 2 points with by number 26 to number. Stepping on the line.
Sleeping on the line.
To number Onyok to number 26 ni Hamta. 26 ni Lawson. Side steps, oops. Osman Rep. Pasajali, masab. 26 ni Itza. Yes, good for 2 points given by number 26. To number 30. Number 30 controlling the ball. Number 30 is on the drive. Yes, good for 2 points given by number 30. To number 26 controlling the ball. 26 na Milo. 26 ni Lawson. Pasball red, palag na patas. 27. To number 26, to number 00. 0-0 to Onyok ni Itza.
Yawa ni Onyok, oy, bilas ko. Nice job, Onyok.
Oras sa Belen City, minutos of 6 segundos. Pasball red. Onyok, number 7. To number 30 ni Lawson, kipasa number 12 ni Itza. No good, nakuha ni Ops. Out of bounds, bola sa ni Itza. To number 00, long pass to number 11, nakuha ni number 14. Number 14, di kaon ng bola. Number 14 to number 30. Number 30, kita kipasa ni number 18. Number 18, Itza, oops. Baseball red. First throw. Substitution red. Last throw. Ready for rebound. No good, nakuha ni number 26. 26 nakuha ni number 30. Number 30 side step to number 12 ni Itza. Yes, good for 2 points. Committed by number 12. To number 9. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Oras sa bilis 6 minutos of 30 segundos. To number 9, to number 7. Number 7 looking for pass. On your 15 to shoot. Number 7 nilusot. No good na kuha ni number. Yes, good for 2 points. To number 12. Number 12 dribbling the ball. Nakuha ni yung behind the back. Number 12. Oops, nakuha ni number 11. Number 11 nilusot. No good na kuha ni number 18. Number 18 nakita kapasahan to number 30. Number 13 dribbling the ball. Number 30 controlling the ball, looking for pass. Number 13 nilusot pass to number 12. Number 12, 15 to shoot. Number 12 to number 30. 10, 9, 8. Oops, nakuha ni number 15. Number 15 to number 9. Number 9 dribbling the ball, number 9. Number 9 on the drive. Yes, good for 2 points. Number 9. 82-58. Labaw ang Ilosot Nobel nakuha ni number 12. Number 12 yata. Number 12 ni Itza. Nobel nakuha gyapon ni number 9. Number 9 on the drive. Yes, good for 2 points. Number 9.
Good job, Kiki.
To number
Kiki.
18. Number 18, sila nag-agul. Number 18 to bring the ball. Oops, Bangga sa tuod. Oops, ball rip. For penalty, Campino.
Malito, makaya magidokmod.
To number 14. Oops, nakuha ni number 11. Number 11 on the drive. Oops, blocked by number 21 to number 13. Nakuha ni number 21. Number 21 ni Luzon. Yes, good for 2 points committed by number 21. To number 26. Number 26, nakita ka po saan? Number 26 to number 7, Onyok, number 26 on the drive. No good na ko ni number 30. Number 30 looking for pass to number 14. Sibo. To number 21 to number 12. Number 12 looking for pass, number 12. Number 12 dribbling the ball. 15 to shoot. To number 21 Itza. No good na ko ni number oops. Out of bounds. Itza, Grace Onyok. Yes, score for 3 points. Committed by.
Yawa, Onyok.
To number 12. Number 12 dribbling the ball. Number 12 pass over number 7, number 2 to number 14. 15 to shoot. Traveling violation. Lakaw. Number 26 dribbling the ball. Number 26 looking for pass to number 9. Number 9 on the drive. Yes, ese basket to number 9. Ang score, 89 sa isinta.
Lubad ng
To
team.
number 30 is on the drive. No good na kuha ni number 9. Number 9. Ahora sa minute, 4 minutos, so 15 segundos, number 9 ni Losot. No good na kuha ni number 4, Dodot Misha. To number 21 ni Losot. No good na kuha ni number 11. 11 dribbling the ball to number 14. Small rep.
Number 7.
Warning for fouled out. Penalty. First low. Not ready for rebound. Nakuha ni number 21 Itza. No good, nakuha ni number 15. Number 15 to number 19. Oops, out of bounds. Bola sa outback number 30. Number 30 with the ball, James. Number 30. James Nilosot. Okay, pa si number 21 Itza. Yes, good for 2 points. Pwede ba number 21? Ang score, 89-62. Labaw ang 89. To number 7. Number 7 Onyok dribbling the ball. Number 7 Onyok. Number 7 jump shot. No good na ko na number. Wait. Oh, yes, good for 2 points. 3 minutos o 34 segundos. Ang nabiling oras na number 30. Number 30 side step ni Losot. Yes, good for 2 points. Number 30. To number 9.
Hansa kick.
Number 9 control the ball. Number 9 on the drive. No good. Nakuha ni number 21, number 21 to number 30. Number 30, number 30, number 30 ni Luzon. No good. Nakuha ni Kishan. To number 30, number 30 Kishan. Substitution. Number 26 controlling the ball. Number 26 looking for pass to number 9. Number 9, number 9, number 9, number 9 ni Luzon. Yes, good for 2 points. Number 9.
Pinapapa ni mo ba?
To number 12. Number 12, number 12 looking for number 30. Number 30, number 30 turn loops ni Luzon. Kipasa ni number oops. Makuha ni number 11. Number 11 to number 26. Number 26 ni Luzon. No good na ko ni number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Number 12 dribbling the ball. Number 12. Number 12 needs sack. Yes, good for 2 points. Committed by number 12. Number 9. Number 9 ang itagapasahan. Number 9. Number 9. Ipasi number 11. Number 11 needs sack. No good na ko ni number 9. Number 9 Gabon. Number 9 ni Luzon. Out of bounds. Bulasa. Payahan. 23 segundos to number 30. Number 30. Number 30. Number 30. Nagmamadali pa sa number 12. Number 12 needs a. Yes, go for 2 points. Number 12. Oras sa Belen 2 minutos o 14 segundos to number 7 Onyok. Onyok. Ayan. Onyok ni Luzon. Yes, go for 2 points.
Kuya mo na yung dinawa.
To number 30. Number 30. Number 30 ni Luzon. Yes, good for 2 points. Number 30.
Last 2 minutes.
To number 26. 26 looking for pass to number 9. Number 9 looking for screen. Number 9. Number 9 ni Luzon. Yes, good for 2 points. Number 9. Oras na Belen, 1 minutos o 50 segundos to number 30. Number 30, ipasa siya. To number 15. Number 15 to number 11. Number 11 ni Luzon. Oops. Small rep. 17. Warning for foul out.
Oh? Kasi kaso in action ba?
No good. Second throw. For rebound. Nakuha na number 30. Number 30, naging nagkapasahan number 32 to number 12. Number 12, dribbling the ball. Number 12, number Milo. Number 12. Give ups. Small rep.
Onyok! Unom na kabuk foul!
Penalty.
Foul, that's your 5th personal foul. Penalty.
Unom na lagi?
Dugod nakuha ni number 15. Number 15 to number 26. 26 long pass to number 9. Number 1 nakuha ni number 30. Number 30 long pass to number 21. 21 ni Hansa. Yes, good for 2 points. Goes by number 21. To number 18. 18 on the drive. Yes, good for 2 points. Goes by number 18. Oras na Belen, 1 minutos o 15 segundos. To number 30. Number 30. 30 looking for screen. Number 30 ni Luzon. Yes, good for 2 points. Goes by number 30. Ang score, 99-74. Labaw ang 99.
Nabot.
Number 26.
100 naman ni Mohadong. Nag-una ka man?
26 ipasa number Siyang Kauban hits no good ako na number 30. Number 30 lang kita kapasa na kuha ni number 21 ipasa number 14 yata ni Itza. Yes, good for 2 points with by number Oras sa Belen, 2 segundos.
50.
Ni Luzon. Yes. To number 30. 45 segundos ang nabiling na oras.
40. 15 second shoot.
Oras. Oops. Nakuha ni number 35. By 5. Happy lane violation. 9 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Mga,
Number 2 to 18.
mga bata ba?
18 to 2. 15 to shoot. Number 2 ni Itza.
Lah! Yawa, oy. What a 3-point shot.
Twenty-one to number 30. Number 30 to number Luzon. No good na ko ni number to number 2. Number 2 ni Itza Octres. No good na ko ni number 9. Number 9 ni Itza. Basket count. Bonus throw. No good na ko ni number 00. 00 dribble out to number 26. 26 ni Los Ops. Blocked by number 18. Number 30. Number 30. Number 30. Number 30 ni Itza. No good na ko ni number 18. 18 to number 14. Number 14 ni Los Ops. No good na ko ni number 18. Oras sa bilay na 9 minutos o 1 segundos. 15 to shoot. Itza, no good to ko ni number 9. Number 9 to 00. Ni Itza, no good. Nako number 18. Number 18 dribbling the ball. Number 18 to number 12. Number 12. Number 12 zone to drive. Nako na. To number 2. Number 2 dribbling the ball. Number 2. 15 to shoot. Nako ni number 9.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Nakuha ni number 2, number 2 ni Itza. Huwag yapon, number 9, no, huwag yapon, number 30. Number 30 nang itagapasahan, long pass to number...
Sound shoot.
Kablita. Oras sa balay na 8 minutos o 20 segundos. To number 18. Number 18 to
15
number...
seconds shoot.
to shoot. Ni Itza. No good na ko ni number 18. Number 18. Number 18 dribbling the ball.
Ikaw na po,
Number
Fra.
18. Number 18 looking for pass. Number 18. Number 18 na wani-wani. 15 to shoot. Ni Itza. Yes, good for 2 points by number 18. Dribbling the ball to number 30. Number 30 looking for pass. Number 30 sa good zone decisive ni Itza. Yes, basket count number 30. To number 18. To number 2. Tony Luzon. No good. Nakuha ni number 2. Number 12. Number 12 nakuha ni Wani. Number 12 nakuha ni number 2. Number 2 to 0-0-0-0 ni Itza. Yes. Job to Kishan. No good. Nakuha ni number 2.
15 seconds to shoot.
Ang score, 114-78. Oras na balin, 6 minutos o 46 segundos. Menyosas on the drive. Yes, good for 2 points. Number 2. Oras na balin, 6 minutos o 30 segundos.
15 seconds to shoot. 10, 9,
Nakuha number 30. 30 ni Luzon.
15 seconds to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Substitution. Substitution.
14. 14 dribbling the ball, jump shot. No good. Number 26. Number 26. 26 on the drive. No good na po number 00. Basket. To number 12. Number 12 looking for pass. Number 12 nilusot. Basket. Small rep. Sino? Oras na Belen, 5 minutos.
Hands up po! Hands up!
15 to shoot.
Kiki.
10, 9. Substitution.
Itza, no good. Nakuha ni number 00. Kishan, yes, for 2 points with the bite. Sigong Hanoy. Oras na Belen, 4 minutos of 10 segundos.
Iguales po po niya.
15 seconds to shoot.
Bales!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Oras na Belen, 3 minutos of 54 segundos. Uha.
Fifteen seconds to shoot.
Basket count. Ang score, 122-86.